We've all been in that scenario where you've got a pretty good idea of what you think you want to do, and then you speak to an expert and you come away with a slightly different idea and maybe an even better idea. And because of the work you did with that expert, you feel even better about what you're going to do. And that's who we are for our customers and what we aspire to be for you as well.
We start by listening to your goals, and then we use our expertise and experience to help you select a material, equipment or consumable candidate for your application.
We can be talking to you about adhesives. We're already starting to think about how we're going to process that material for you, cure it, dispense it, feed it. And we can also be looking at things like the surface preparation and surface measurement too. So it's the whole entirety of your process that we can help you with rather than just one specific part.
We know that our customers don't want complications. We know that you just want things that work smoothly, as we all do. So that's why we try to make every single step stress-free. We take the time to really understand your application, the pressures involved, and what success really looks like for you.
Beyond what's just in the box, we offer an awful lot of added value to calibration, servicing, repair, setup, training, installation, giving you a lot more than what just comes in the box for the product.
When you're ready to talk to us, we'll be quick to respond. We monitor our responsiveness and typically will reply to your first email within the hour.
A huge focus for us is delivering operational excellence. If you're having supply chain issues, our team will do everything we can to help. We know that 97% of our orders arrive within 3 days of their confirmed delivery date. And if we've got an item in stock, we'll ship it to you that day.
We have our Intertronics Academy, which accelerates your learning through our online technical content, as well as having our technology centre, which is full of kit to enable you to come and do trials with us and demonstrations or seminars, but we're also happy to come and visit you and do those on site too.
I think ultimately we want to work with you because of what you're doing. You're making the world better, safer, more secure in some way, and whilst we know we play a small part in that, it's definitely a part we want to play. We don't just want to deliver a product and never hear from each other again. We want to be seen as a trusted partner, and the only way we can do that is by building a long-term relationship.
Intertronics is as much about the people as it is the products. Our technical knowledge and the relationships we generate with our customers really sets us apart.
We've got customers that have been with us for decades, and we feel really great about that because of what they're doing.